Good morning from a dry, windy, but not too cold, not Peterborough, but Wansford. So as you can probably tell of this uniform, I'm doing a duty at Nene Valley Railway, which is a heritage railway. I think it's about 7.5 miles long. But feel free to jump in and tell me, no you're wrong, no you're wrong, you shouldn't be. So what I'll do is, I'm on the footbridge across platforms 2 and 3. I'll just give you as much of a 360 as I can, starting with one of the old station buildings and work my way around. So just have a look at this. So the old station building, this new one is platform 2. This was on Octopussy, station master's office, turntable, and then working round the shunting yards, various rolling stock. I'll show you 101, the blue engine over there, that was used on Octopussy, because I'm a big fan of movies. Work your way around. Engine sheds, working sheds. I might have a bit of difficulty doing a 360 at this point, but we'll see how we go on. Coach shed. I'll take a walk across the bridge. I know Chris's brother is into trains, so he might find this enjoyable. So this is Wansford, and out through those gates is back to Peterborough. Today we're running the rail car, which is Swedish. And back up this line goes up to a place called Yarwell, but they're doing some track maintenance at the moment, so that's out of bounds. So looking back to station master's office, the Octopussy wagon. We'll have a walk down these steps. I think the era they're trying to convey is the 1950s. So these are the 5 coaches that get used quite often. This is platform 3. Just to prove it, so there's various static exhibits. I believe this is a model railway inside there. Bookstores. There's a lot of rolling stock that's in need of refurbishment, rebuilding, so they're always on the lookout for volunteers to assist with that. I think this is a bookstore. Oh, travelling post office. Model railway in there. Closed today, I'm afraid, which is a shame. And this is what some of the rolling stock looks like. Clearly needs some love and attention. And then the water tank and the coal kept there. And then looking back, this is one of the scenes that you see on Octopussy. I believe they were filming on this track, but the camera is looking across this platform down towards the signal box, and so we'll have a walk down there. So I'll just cut this short and I'll start it at the other end. So here we are at the bottom end of the station. Signal box, signals, somersault signals, some rolling stock down the track, station building, Jack's Green, a small green locomotive, and then 101 in the background, platform 2, and then looking back up 2 and 3 from this position. So those of you that like James Bond, I'm going to turn you around now to one of the filming locations of Octopussy. It's quite widely known, or if you don't know, I'm going to show you. So in the film Octopussy, a train hit a car, the one that Roger Moore was supposedly just climbing out of and jumping onto another moving train, and the car was hit by a train which I'll show you up there. But this is the bridge that it was supposed to come off and land in the river. The building on the left is a signal box, so the action took place here. The car, I believe, was fired using air pressure and air cannon, and it landed in this river clearly some time ago. And then just a quick look at the river, people fishing, boats, people who own really expensive houses, clearly don't work for the NHS, or not in the department I was in. So yeah, filming location. We're going to go back up this path and back towards the station, and then we'll have a look at the train that did all the damage. So the train that did all the damage in the film, and I've been reliably told this is very close to back to running condition. There doesn't seem to be much that needs to be done to it, but this is 101, and I think this was all in a black livery when it appeared on the film. This is a static exhibit until it does actually run, and it's a fair old size. There we go. So inside a filming location. Whatever next? Those of you that might be interested in trains, there's certainly a lot of knobs and whistles in here, far more than I can understand. And then looking back out toward Jack's Green, the green engine, the turntable, and we've got a community funded by Mick George museum. Try not to fall out of the train, that would be embarrassing. So that's a little bit more. And just another view. Lots more rolling stock that needs repair. Back down to 101 that I've just taken you on. And then spinning round the TASC. Rolling stock, trains, locomotives all parked in there, crane. And then we've also got for the children, I suppose you can have adults as well. We've got miniature railway. But the gate's locked, can't get in. Right, the rail car's coming in, so we'll just stop you there and I'll get back to you when we get the passengers off and then new passengers back on. So we've got two photogenic gentlemen who don't want to be on, so we'll just keep walking this way. And I'll basically point my camera at stuff which I've no idea what it does, but...
That is a token machine, a key token machine.
That's a key token machine.
Tyres, a key token machine.
And then God knows how many handles to pull. Annunciators, bells, whistles, radios, flags. And somebody will find this interesting, I guess.
And leave you £2 in the box.
Hey! Gotta pay for this. It's raining. So that's the view of the platforms 2 and 3, the main road going in and out. And I'm sure I've just spotted Cat. She just turns up when it's raining.
Didn't realise.
There she is, yep. Thank you, gentlemen.
Take care. How good are you?
You see Cat? Go across a beat, Cat. Nothing coming. Let's go see Cat. Hi. So this is the wagon I was telling you about in Octopussy. You can see an escape hatch in the top. They had to weld bars here and here and here and there to allow the stuntman to climb up. And as far as I'm aware, they had to create a third door so they didn't have to open both standard doors fully. So there you go, a little bit of trivia. Whether that's right or wrong, I have no idea, but you'll believe anything, won't you? Show you the exterior of Wansford Station on Nene Valley Railway. Don't forget to visit one day, blah blah blah, cafe open, trains and tickets. See, we've got a post box. You want for nothing. Anyway, thanks for watching. I finished my shift. We've had 4 journeys today. Happy days. Take care. Bye.